Hello everyone, Standard 10, lesson number 5, Mass Media and History. We have already discussed some of the part of this lesson and now we are going to discuss the point why do we need mass media. Now let us see mass media facilitates free flow of information to all the stratas. Stratas means all the levels of the society. Mass media provides different types of information to the people, to the society, and not only to a particular group of society, to everyone. Now, there are editorials written by the editors of the newspapers, various columns, and even supplements published on the special occasions who educate and provide information to the society. Even readers can also publish their opinions in newspapers, in a reader's column. Television is an audiovisual medium, and the difference between television and newspaper or radio is on television we can see actual visuals of a particular incident or an event that is not possible on a radio or in a newspaper. Critical understanding of the information received through mass media. Now it is very important that whatever information we get on mass media, it should be authentic. Authentic means true or real. It should not be fake. One example has been given here from Germany. Stern, a German weekly magazine, had purchased a number of so-called handwritten diaries of Adolf Hitler, and they sold those diaries to different publications. Now those publications also checked the authenticity, means reality of those diaries, and they published those diaries in their publications. Now afterwards it was revealed that those diaries were not authentic. They were forged. Forged means fake, not real. Okay, so this type of mistake may happen while publishing a news or any information on a mass media. So it is very important to critically study that particular information, or critical study of the authenticity of that particular news. Mass media and professional opportunities. Newspapers have to fulfill the task of providing fresh news to its readers. It is also necessary to unfold the background of an event in the news. At such times, newspapers have to resort to history. While reporting news in detail, reporters try to compare it with parallel events which happened in the past. The past event may be printed in a separate frame. So, while publishing a news, sometimes we have to, or the publisher has to refer to the background or the history of that particular news. Okay, so here we can find a relation in between mass media and history. Thus, the reader gets access to additional information and he can get better insights about the current news. So, to get better information or better knowledge of a current news, it is very important to publish its history, okay, or its background. Newspapers print columns about historical information appearing under headings such as 50 years ago or 100 years ago, etc. Such columns are based on historical documents or written history. These columns provide historical information about economic, social, political events in the past and also events of historical significance. So sometimes you might have read in a newspaper the titles such as 50 years ago or 100 years ago regarding any particular event. Okay, for example, the World War. Okay, First World War took place in 2014. Okay, so in 1914, and in 2014, 100 years were completed for the First World War. So the newspapers published special supplements about the First World War, and it was very important, or it is very important that they should have knowledge of the history. Okay, so that they can refer to that particular event, or they can write in detail about that particular event. Okay, and even in 2017, 75 years were completed after the announcement of Quit India movement, okay, by Mahatma Gandhi. And on such occasions, newspapers are publishing special supplements, okay, and for the same, it is very important or essential for the newspapers to have knowledge of history, okay, so that they can refer to a particular incident or an event that has taken place long ago, okay, or long back, okay. So remaining part of the lesson we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you very much.